Okay. Now the next thing we need to do to get this valve ready to go, we have our tub spout closed up. That should be good. We already have 2 PEX for the cold and hot supply lines. But on the top here, this is a sweat fitting. So meaning that you can't just attach PEX to this. You could just sweat on a copper line up to your shower head if you wanted to. In my case, I would rather use PEX to bring the water up to the shower head. So what I'm gonna do is attach this PEX fitting. Now all this is a male, not a female. This is a male adapter. It's a 1/2 inch male adapter, and that means that basically the difference between the male and the female is this piece right here is a little bit thinner on the male versus the female, so that it just fits right inside there. And we're going to sweat that on, and then we'll have a nice PEX fitting at the top there. If you were to try to use a female adapter, let me see if I can find one. I can't. But if you were to use a female would be the same size here and it wouldn't fit in there. So you're gonna need to use a male adapter for there. And the same process as sweating on before. We're going to clean the outside. Now it says a new fitting, so it should be pretty clean already, but can't hurt to just give it a little extra. Then take that inside cleaner. Clean that up. Clean with the towel. Make sure that towel is clean. Get off any debris. So now the outside of this is clean, inside there is clean. It's gonna fit in nicely. We'll go ahead, we'll apply the flux to the male fitting. Again, you don't need much. Flux on the inside there, if I can. Then go ahead, fit that in, do a little twist, prop it up, get everything out of the way, get your hook, get your flame ready. Decide where you're going to put this. I think I'm going to heat on the bottom right here. And then I'm going to be tapping my solder right on the top there. I like to do it someplace where I can see it, make sure it's melting. So there what happened was I was coming into the heat with my solder and the heat basically just broke my solder. So that is something you want to avoid. You want to make sure that you're not melting your solder with the heat, but that the heat of the actual fitting is melting it. So I'm going to try that one more time. All right, so I'm not happy with that. And this is actually a good point because you can actually redo this if, in my case, I don't like that, I'm not confident with that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat this up. Sometimes, you know, works well, sometimes you gotta restart. So. So, you know, that actually was pretty good. As you can see, there's coverage all the way around, but, you know, I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I'm gonna have to clean out, the top part here of the valve. And I'll basically just do that with the inside cleaner, and then we can clean off. I'll probably just get a new fitting, just so I don't have to clean it off right now, but eventually I'll clean that off. So basically what I'll do is I'll clean this off. All right, round two. We got our piece cleaned off. Show you the inside. Nice and clean, no more silver on there. And we are ready to try it again. So. All right, that one I'm a bit happier with. Clean everything off. And I can see, so I was kind of tapping over on that side, and I can see on the opposite side there's solder in there, so pretty confident. Made it all the way around. There's a good 360-degree connection of silver in there. And I'm just gonna clean off all that excess.